Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can change back and home button on Android. See here, currently this is on the Realme mobile. So the OS here is Realme OS. And I'll also tell you on Motorola mobile. So I'll explain you on different mobiles how you can change this back and home button. If you observe currently, there is no back and home button currently on this home screen of this Android mobile. There are gestures instead of back and home button. And see here, these are the analog clocks of different countries. I just kept on home screen. If you want this tutorial, just now I did a video tutorial. Check the link in the description. First of all, uh, to change the back and home button, click on the Android phone settings here, and then from mobile to mobile these options will be different. That's the reason I have told you that I'll tell you that how you can change this back and home button in Motorola also at the end of the video. So in the settings you need to click on home and lock screen. This is for the Realme mobiles, okay? And when you swipe down, at the end you will be seeing this system navigation. Tap on this and see here, do you want gestures or do you want buttons? So you need to check for the buttons. And here now there is another option like layout. See, as soon as I tick that, this is the layout, it got added. If you want to change, you can change this. Now the button arrangement is like back is at this side and home is at middle, and these are the recent apps. Whichever, this I just used to, so I'm keeping this one. And on the long press of the home button, digital assistant Google Gemini or Google Assistant will wake up. Okay, as this option is enabled, this is working. You can turn it off, or that is absolutely your choice. Now we'll check in the Motorola mobile. As I said, I'll explain in Motorola mobile. This is my Moto H50 mobile and the back case is within the box. So now I want to upgrade the back case of this mobile, and please do comment who else are using Moto mobiles. So in the Moto mobiles, just click on your Android phone settings, and in the previously for Realme the option is under home and lock screen, but for Moto the option will be directly available under this gesture. See gestures, click on the gestures and you will find the first option system navigation. Tap on this and here three button system or gesture navigation. So if you want gesture, you can tap on this radio button or else click on the settings gear icon. And see here the layout is back button is here, home button is middle, and these are recent apps. If you toggle this button, the arrangement gets changed. Whatever arrangement you want, you can just keep. So this is fine for the Moto mobiles. But what if you are using Google Pixel or Samsung mobiles? For that, I'll tell you a trick. On your mobile, just open the settings and on the search bar, just search as system navigation, because this is the system navigation option. Home and button on the home screen is related to system navigation. Tap on this and tap on system navigation. This is on the other mobiles I am saying, and you will find this arrangement, this back button and home button. You can change it from here. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.